Hello, so welcome to my channel Visions Review. So, in the previous video, I already told you about the basics review of Design Beasts. So, today I'm going to tell you about the complete review and how Design Beast works, what is Design Beast, and what is the main features of Design Beast, and it is pros and cons. So, welcome to my honest Design Beast review. First warning: don't fall in any trap that using fake promises to give bonuses. Okay, so let's continue to the video. So Design Beast is a artificial intelligence powered graphic design and animation software that helps you creating quality design, that helps you in your marketing, that helps you to make good income by freelancing, or you can say you can design your best t-shirts using Teespring. So Teespring is a merchant site, you can sell with them. Okay, and so it will easily create meme design and quality graphic design within few minutes of button click. You are now freedom from creating bad design, and so bad design. So create amazing design with Design Beast software. So good news is that it's confirmed its launch and get ready to be blown away. This is super unique and mind-blowing technology. We are super confident it will be another massive launch with some killer conversion. After nine back-to-back million-dollar blockbusters, Paul Pona and Sid Dewar are back with another mega software launch. So, Design Beast is the ultimate multi-purpose design solution featuring six powerful design apps under one roof to outperform your competition and attract new customers with world-class technologies. So you can replace multiple complicated design apps, expensive freelancer, and save thousands on subscription fees. You can save huge money. So you can sell more products and service just creating simple, elegant, and astonishing captivating design to turn perspective into sales. You can double your advertising revenues, and you can increase your brand exposure, and you can also increase your traffic and clicks by visually communicate with your prospect. So it helps you to grab attention to your customer. Okay, so so next part is the uh, what features you will get inside. So newbie friendly. First, using Design Beast is super easy and fast. Just select from 7,000 ready to use design templates for fast, easy, and effortless creation. It has super fast processing. You can build world class designs in minutes with cutting edge artificial intelligence design automation technologies, and it has millions of stock assets. You can save money. Never pay extra for premium royalty, free images, icons, backgrounds, and animation. It's just one time. It's a small price. So I will tell you about the price later. It has a big features is it has commercial light, so you can sell your designs and use them in commercial projects without extra fees or restriction, and you can sell to global audiences to your by freelancing with Fiverr or Upwork, and you can design anyone's t-shirts, design you can any kind of work of design. So the number one design automation app is the Design Beast. So it's no need to install software or any kind of app install. It's just using your Mac or Windows, you can access Design Beast with ease. Okay, so it has some unique features which is all-in-one design and mockup engine. And 3D live motion photos, you can transform boring still photos into dynamic 3D moving visuals with stunning effects to wow your audiences and stand out from the crowd. And dynamic moving visuals are proven to get up to 10 times more engagement than a regular still photos, and this is perfect to grab more eyeballs, get more clicks and slash your ad cost by half or more. You can make a memorable impact on your audience or your customer or your client by adding dazzling effects like snow, rain, clouds, smoke and various other motion design elements to your photos instantly. The next is design automation app 3 is magic object removal tool. So you can selectively remove any objects, people or any other element you choose from your photos in two easy steps. You can highlight the object you want to delete and click export. So within few seconds the app will process the data and delete any unwanted object from your photos. It's just like magic with unmatched flexibility for faster, superior and impressive results. And the next is one click background removal, and so this powerful machine learning technology which is using this design based auto detects the edges and objects in your photos and automatically erases the background from any photo. Okay, so you never have to select the object manually or draw borders around the objects like any other competing apps. Just get professional results every time in a matter of seconds. Simply upload any image into app and let the artificial intelligence do the all heavy lifting work. We guarantee that this will be the easiest background remover tool you have ever used. You do not have to purchase any credits or pay monthly fees or unlimited. It has unlimited background removal is included. So next is the slick image editor. So you can edit your photos like the professional without any complicated apps. You can edit, resize, enhance, or add filters to turn blurry and unappealing photos into stunning visuals ready to print or publish online. And the next is artificial intelligence logo creator. This amazing logo creator you have never used. And Design Beast is the best software you can say that create an artificial intelligence incredible logo. So you can now bulk create 50 logo variations for any brand in just 3 easy steps. Just type your brand name, select a logo style, and let the machine learning generate 50 customizable logo designs just in a flash. You have total control over the customization process and select the logo you like and customize the colors, fonts, and shapes. Uh, so, so design based, who should get this? The question maybe arise in your mind. So, as a matter of fact, Design Beast is a comprehensive all-in-one design suite that offers you designing, animation, and graphics of inside single platform. So it's a combination of 6 apps that combines with one software. Okay, so if you are an online marketer, graphic designer, or animator, or a social media marketer and influencer, YouTuber or video marketer, or if you are a content creator, or if you are an agency owner or freelancers, or even if you are a website owners or affiliate marketers, if you are from mentioned list and you are a person who need all in on one designing and animation suit, then a design beast is for you. Now come down to the next part of design based review. So you can see the logo demo of, you can just type your logo name and choose from one style and you can get 50 customizable option of your logo. And so let's come to the design based pricing. Okay, so let's come to the design list prices. What is its price? It's very low from any competitive app. Okay, so just wait for some time, it's loading. The page is very heavy, so it takes time. Okay, so just wait for some time. So design beast, the ultimate tool, allows you to easily create animated banner ads with integrated animation templates also. And you can see that design beast is a perfect choice from anyone to grow or scale their businesses. So now come to the prices. Okay, so I can't, yeah, design beast is backed by a full 30-day money back guarantee, so don't worry about your payment. So design beast has a two plan, as it personal and it's commercial. So personal, commercial, and agency plan already. And I'll tell you that design beast commercial price is $47 one time charge, and design beast elite price $49, and design beast agency $49, and design beast 4-in-1 ultra price $39. And its one time price is very low. And if you buy from my link in description, so you will get $3,000 bonuses free of cost. Yes, you heard it right, $3,000 bonuses just free of cost if you buy from our personal link. Just check description and it will be a surprise for you. The $3,000 bonuses, which all including 150 plus online marketing tools, Thrive Architect Builder, best of traffic software, and graphic designing templates, online money making software, WP means WordPress bonus bundle, video marketing bonus bundle. Lots of bonuses are there. So don't fall in trap with fake promising others. Just check description, and if you have any questions or doubts, inbox me in Instagram. I will reply as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.